Okay, guys, so I am here with my Nokia 7.2 and I'm just running a quick benchmark test on Android 9.0 and I have scored 177,455. Okay, guys, so I'm here with my Nokia 7.2, like I just said, and I have been notified that the Android 10 update is now available for this device, the official update. I live here in the UK, so if you live here in the UK, it is now available for download. So I thought I'd run that quick benchmark test on Android 9 just to see what score I get, and then I'm going to run the test again after I do the Android 10 update and see if there's any improvements in the benchmark scores. So as you can see here, software update Android 10 is available. So I'm just going to finish downloading it. It's 1.55 GB. That's the size of the update. And what's new, there's not much details on what's new. There's not much information there. Improved system stability, user interface enhancements, and the Google security patch for the 4th of 2020. So that's the April security patch. But there's more to this update than what's mentioned here. This update comes with Smart Reply, Dark Mode, Systemwide Dark Mode, System Navigation Gestures, and probably some other little tweaks and stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to resume this download. So make sure when you're downloading this, you use a Wi-Fi connection. It's quite weird that they've not mentioned much about the update. They should have added some more information to the what's new section there. And as you can see, it downloads really quick. I was just on 84% and look at that, we're almost 100. Okay, let's resume. Okay, so it's going to apply the update. So I will be back once it's complete. Okay guys, so I've just done the update to Android 10 on my Nokia 7.2. Okay, so first thing I've noticed is the little unlock icon there. It's now shifted from the bottom to the top of the display there. And also the battery icon and the Wi-Fi icon looks a little bit different. Also the applications as well look a little bit smaller and neater. Okay, so let's just take a look around. Okay, so let me just go into system. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just show you all first. Android version 10. Okay, so let's take a look at the system navigation gestures. Okay, so here we have the system navigation, and now we have the new gesture navigation option. And here, if you select this little settings icon here, you can adjust the sensitivity of the gestures. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate how this works. So if you swipe up, it brings you back to the home screen there. If you swipe up and hold. Okay, so if you swipe up, it brings you back to the home screen. If you swipe up, it brings you to the app tray. If you swipe up again, it brings you back to the home screen. And if you open any application and you want to go back, you just swipe in from the right edge of the display to go back, or you can also swipe in from the left to go back as well. And this works with any application. So as you can see, I'm in the gallery there, and if I want to go back, I just swipe in just like that. And like I said, you can swipe in from the left as well to go right back to the home screen. And if you swipe up and hold, you can launch your recent applications. These are all the open applications. Just close this down. And if you swipe from the bottom corner, either corner, bottom left or bottom right, you can launch the Google Assistant. Okay, so that's the system navigation gestures. Let's take a look at the dark mode. So if you go into display, you will now see the dark theme option. And this is a system-wide dark theme. So dark theme support apps will also switch to dark theme. Okay, so it's system-wide. So this dark theme works with every application that supports it. So the dialer is now black. Also the Play Store. So all your Google applications are going to be nicely themed black. If you don't like the gestures, you can always turn them off by going back into the system and gestures, system navigation. You can always turn back on the 2-button navigation if that's what you're used to. So yeah, I'm really liking this dark theme, this dark mode. It will also help with the battery life as well. As you can see, the Google search bar is black and the notification panel. And if you want to add some more customization to the theming of the notification panel, Just go into About Phone and look for your build number and keep tapping it till it says you are now a developer. Then go back and look for the developer options. It should be in System, Advanced, Developer Options. And when you scroll down, so you're going to scroll all the way down to theming, and here you will now see this new option, accent color. So let me just pull down the notifications here. As you can see, there's a little blue and black theme going on there. So here you can change the color to cinnamon. And as you can see, the icons there have now changed color. You can change it to black. Green. Ocean. So these are all the different colors you can choose from. And you can also change the icon shape of your applications. So you can change them to square, teardrop, circle, rounded, rectangle. I like this teardrop shape. So I'm just going to show you how that looks real quick. So as you can see, the applications now have this teardrop look. And also there's an option here to change the font. There's only one font that you can select from, but still good that they've added the option. And I'm going to show you all something else as well. When you go to, where is it? Okay, when you go to the debugging section here, there's this new mode, game driver preference, modify game driver settings. And if you choose a game, you can select the graphics driver. So you can choose the game driver or the system graphics driver. So I'm guessing if you choose the game driver option, you're probably going to get some better performance when gaming. I'm going to do a separate video on that, testing it out. But yeah, same with Call of Duty, you can choose the game driver. So yeah, this is it for the Android 10 update. So you can see here in the settings, the icons have also changed to that teardrop look, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to run a benchmark before I go and see if there's an overall improvement in performance. So with Android 9, before I did the update, this was my score, 177,455. So I'm just going to run the test again on Android 10 and see if there's performance increase. I'll be back soon. Okay, so the test is complete and I scored 178,854. So there's like 1,000 points increase there in the performance. So that's not much. Okay, before I go, let me just check out the camera. Okay, so the camera layout looks pretty much the same. If I can focus. Yeah, the camera layout looks pretty much the same. I'm not seeing anything new there. Let's check out the wallpapers. Okay, so there's no new wallpapers. Let's check out home settings. Nothing new there. Let's have a look at the widgets. And there's no new widgets. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Like I says, if you have the Nokia 7.2 and you live here in the UK, the update is now available over the air, OTA. So just go into your system updates and search for it. It should be there. So yeah, I'm out. See you in the next video. See you, boy, Android Doctor. Deuces. Oh yeah, please like and share the video.